Hello. Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine, thanks for asking.
Okay.
Okay, then shall we talk about birds today?
What?
Birds, birds.
Yeah,
Okay, then what is your favorite bird?
my favorite bird is mm, eagle
Oh, why do you like eagle the most?
because it flies high.
Okay, so can you tell me a few qualities of eagle?
Yeah, it
Okay.
it has always a courage.
Mm-hmm.
It will not eat the dead animals that were killed by animals.
Oh,
It always it likes to hunt and eat,
okay.
and it flies at higher altitude.
Mm-hmm.
It has a correct eye.
Mm-hmm.
It has a correct eye position while flying.
Mm-hmm.
It is always that it has a special altitude in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Then, do you know the types of birds?
Mm, no.
Like carnivorous, herbivorous,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
omnivorous.
yeah.
Okay. Can you explain that thing?
So carnivorous means the animals which eat only veg, the
Mm-hmm.
animals which eat only plants comes under the category of carnivores,
Mm-hmm.
and the animals which eat only dead animals, and
Mm-hmm.
they and all come in the category of mm,
Mm-hmm.
carnivores.
Mm-hmm.
And omnivores, in the category of omnivores, the animals which eat both plants and animals,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, they come under the category of omnivores.
Okay. So, can you give a few examples of omnivorous?
The dog,
No, I'm asking, and in birds, not in animals.
birds,
Yeah.
I think crow,
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
crow, then sparrow,
Do you think a sparrow can eat dead things?
then um, I can't remember.
All right. Then, can you give example of herbivores?
Yeah, herbivores, sparrow,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
then um, woodpecker,
Okay.
nightingale,
Mm-hmm.
then mm, yeah, many other birds.
Okay. Okay. And can you give examples of carnivorous?
The carnivores, eagle,
Mm-hmm.
crow,
Crow is omnivorous, no?
yeah, then
Mm.
eagle, vulture,
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, mm,
Hmm. And kite too, right? Kite can also eat only dead things, right?
I haven't heard about it. Can you explain me about that?
Do you know kite is a bird?
Yeah, I have heard about it, but I haven't heard much of it.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay,
So, kite also eat small animals and variety of insects. Uh,
okay.
yeah, that's all that eat. And also, it likes to eat frog, snakes, like that things.
It will will it hunt on it or it will eat
It
dead animals?
it will hunt and eat.
Okay.
Mm, yeah.
And what is your favorite bird of all time?
My favorite bird is peacock.
And can you name its special qualities?
Yeah, why not? So peacock is a very beautiful bird.
Okay.
and it can dance in rainy season.
Yeah.
It opens its feathers,
Okay.
and it is very beautiful to see its dance.
Yeah.
Yeah. And peacock is a male bird, and if we talk about its female gender, it is peahen. And peahen is not more beautiful. Peacock is more beautiful than peahen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, do you know any more facts about peacock?
Yeah. It's our national bird.
Yeah.
I
Uh,
haven't I haven't seen it in real.
okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how many types of peacock are there in the world?
I think two,
Can you name that?
peacock and peahen.
Yeah, it is the peacock category only, and I think peacock and peahen. Okay, then we can see two colors of peacock. One is normal green blue types color,
Okay.
and another one all totally white color peacock.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
have seen it in a photo.
Yeah. So did you see any dancing peacock in TV?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Have you
Then,
seen
mm-hmm.
Have you seen a peacock dancing in real?
Yeah, I saw a white peacock dancing in real, but not a normal peacock.
Okay. But normal peacock's dance is more beautiful, right?
Yeah, exactly, because
Yeah.
it's more beautiful.
Yeah.
It have colors, many variety of colors.
Yeah.
Hmm. All right, then tell me something about penguins.
Penguins, yeah, they are the animals who live in cold places. It's from Antarctica.
Mhm.
And they have a flatty feet which helps
Mhm.
them in walking in the cold areas.
Mhm.
And they eat with their nose.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, the mouth. They eat with their mouth. That is like beak-like structure.
Mhm.
They will catch the prey with their mouth and they will eat it.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay. Then do you think penguin is a bird?
yeah,
But it cannot fly, right?
yeah.
Hmm. Do you think why? Why it cannot fly?
Because due to the adaptations there.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
but anyhow, it is the one and only bird who can survive in cold areas.
Yeah. You're
Yeah,
right.
and ostrich is also a bird.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah,
But it can also not fly, right?
yeah.
Can you tell me more qualities of ostrich?
Yeah. Then it is a very big animal.
Mhm.
It is very tall.
Mhm.
Um, then it will it have you seen any ostrich running?
No, I didn't see. Did you see?
Yeah, I have seen in television.
Mhm.
Yeah, it was like a
Mhm.
funny moment.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you know ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And what do you know about its egg?
Egg. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very big.
Mhm. It is
Yeah.
also biggest egg in the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what is emu?
No, can you tell me about that?
I think emu is the second biggest bird in the world,
Okay.
and its egg is also second biggest egg in the world.
Okay.
And I think emu also looks like ostrich, but it is in black color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And do you know emu is an endangered bird?
Why?
Because we have very less. quantity of emu in the world. It is about to extinct.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
soaring moment, but we have to save it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. So, do you know any other endangered bird?
Mm, mm, I don't know about that.
Okay.
I think ostrich is a little endangered bird.
I don't know about it, but I know emu is an endangered bird.
Have you
Uh,
seen an emo?
in real life, not, but in TV I saw.
And how does it attack human?
I didn't see like that. I saw only picture.
Okay.
Yeah. So, do you know how ostrich attacks human?
No.
Okay.
Can you tell
Then
me?
I don't know about that. Then can you tell me about floating birds that can float on water?
Swan.
Swan, yeah. And any
Yeah.
more?
Duck.
Okay. So can you tell me more things about swans and ducks?
Yeah, they are one of the beautiful birds in the world.
Mhm.
Yeah, they have a beak,
Mhm.
and they also have their bodies are
Mhm.
adapted to the water for floating.
Mhm.
They live in groups.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have saw it. It's very beautiful.
Mhm.
Most of the swans are white in color.
Mhm. What about ducks?
Yeah, ducks also one of the birds in the world, and they are yellow in color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they can also walk in water.
Okay.
Yeah, their feet are adapted to the water for
Mhm.
walking.
Mhm.
And they also live in groups.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Hmm. So, did you do any experiment related to birds?
No.
Okay. So, did you see any movie related to birds?
Mm, I haven't seen movie, but I know many things about birds.
Okay. Can you share?
Yeah. Do you know about
Hmm?
Dr. Salim?
I don't know. What is that?
He is an Indian bird man. He got this name,
Why?
India's birdman,
Why?
because he spent most of his hours
Mhm.
hours of the day
Mhm.
researching bats and
Mhm.
how many birds are extincted and
Mhm.
why are they special. He
Mhm.
researched in overall. He spent most of the years in his life researching birds.
Oh.
Yeah, so that he got his name.
Okay.
Do you know about
I didn't know about that.
Ardicala?
I,
Ardicala.
no, I don't know about that. Can you share?
Yeah, it's also a bird which can fly up to 20,000 kilometers without resting.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah,
Can you rename that?
Ardicala.
Arctic Ola. Okay.
Yeah,
Is it in English name or Tamil name?
English name.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
it is the fastest bird which can fly
mhm.
up to 20,000 kilometers in the world.
Mhm.
Yeah. Do you know about sheepbird?
No, I don't know. What is that?
A sheepbird, it's not its real name. We named it sheepbird.
Mhm.
Sheepbird is a bird which can fly from far away place,
Mhm.
which can fly to many places, but
Mhm.
it rests at sea.
Mhm.
So it is known as the seabird.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hello.
Am I, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. Can you name the reasons for the extinction of sparrows?
I don't know about that. Can you explain?
Yeah. Nowadays the humans are not using proper manure for the fields. They are buying pesticides from the shops and
Mhm.
they're using it. So the
Mhm.
worms present inside the soil get die, and
Mhm.
the sparrows won't get worms and insects as their food.
Mhm.
Yeah, nowadays strong buildings are also major important because
Mhm.
um, they are not suitable for the birds to build nest.
Mhm.
And then nowadays we humans are using
Mhm.
uh, steel.
Mhm.
We are using steel yard to fence
Mhm.
around the field. We are using a steel like structure.
Mhm.
But we have to think about the plan. We have to think about the sparrows because they
Mhm.
don't have any. They don't have naturally rest taking place
Mhm.
because all of them are covered with strong buildings.
Mhm.
And also for food and water, they have to fight with other birds.
Mhm.
Yeah, these are the major restriction of the sparrows.
Oh.
Yeah. Have you seen Two Pen War movie?
No, I don't know. That is
Yeah,
a movie related to birds?
yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Okay.
Their Bakshi Rajan is a character which they
Mhm.
have taken from the Dr. Salim.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, was that a documentary or not?
What is documentary? Can we explain about that?
It is type of movie.
Okay.
Yeah, that is related to real life.
Yeah, it's a real life story.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Hmm. So, what do you know about flamingo?
Flamingo.
Hmm?
I have heard about it, but I don't know about that. I think it's pink in color.
Yeah, exactly. It is pink in color and it likes to eat fish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is also like ostrich-like structure.
Uh,
Yeah,
no, it is not like ostrich like a structure.
but it has a mouth like swan, right?
It can fly also. Ostrich cannot fly. Ostrich don't have much feathers.
But its body,
Mhm. Yeah.
yeah, it's like flamingo. I know
Yeah.
that its beaks are slightly curved.
Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're right.
yeah.
Mm.
Can you name any unknown bird?
Unknown bird.
Yeah.
Do you know kiwi?
What?
Kiwi.
Yeah,
How does it looks like?
it's like small in structure.
Mhm. Do you think kiwi can fly?
I think it cannot.
Yeah. Do you know why?
Why can I explain?
Because it don't have wings.
Okay.
Uh, it doesn't have wings, and it's. I think it is smallest bird that cannot fly.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know what is smallest bird that can fly?
Sparrow?
I don't know. Bee. That is a hummingbird. Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the earth. Do you know what is hummingbird?
I have heard about it, but I haven't seen it.
Oh, okay. It's a very small bird.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you know when is World Sparrow Day?
I don't know. Do you know?
Two, yeah, 2 days before.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, did you celebrate there?
No,
Okay. Then do you know why people organize World Sparrow Day?
because they are in danger. They are in extinction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Then it was nice talking with you, Sai.
Yeah.
Have a great
You talk
day.
wonderful. Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.